Ministry of Petroleum, refineries, petroleum. Honorable Minister, my name is Engineer Chol Chol Garang Reu from the Ministry of Petroleum. You might be wondering what an engineer is doing in front of you here. Well, it is something to do with trade and business. Well, we engineers, we are the leaders of all industries because what we trade is what is manufactured by the engineers. So I'm going to take you through this very important presentation, which is very important for our country. What should we have with our oil and we don't refine? We import petroleum products all the way from Mombasa. They carry all the costs up to South Sudan. When we will be selling oil, there are all the challenges, but of course these challenges are manageable. Crude quality, stringent and dynamic product specifications like the one now Europe is in Euro 6. Very advanced quality of products, space function, depletion of technical expertise, global warming, and so forth. Increased environmental awareness. These are challenges, but they can be managed. South Sudan has both light and heavy crude. They need diesel, we need petrol, we need aviation fuel, we need Asian coal, and we need petroleum coal. There's readily available market for petroleum products, both locally and bordering countries. Our major markets would be Ethiopia, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Congo, and so on. This could be the lifeline of the industry in our country. So why are we discussing this in this forum? This is Ministry of Trade. The Ministry of Trade, together with the Ministry of Petroleum and Finance, with the lawmakers, they can sit down, deliberate on this, come up with a decision, which is a lifeline for the country, and build a refinery. And forever, we can be self-contained nation. So, what are the recommendations here? South Sudan should invest in a complex and bigger refinery that has units such as LTC. Okay? This is for complete conversion. South Sudan should consider designing a refinery that can refine heavy crude oil as more crude oil is getting heavier. If we have a refinery and Uganda start producing oil tomorrow, they will not export it to other places. They will export it to South Sudan to refine it, and then we give them back the products. Isn't it a great idea? South Sudan should invest in road infrastructure to export the petroleum product. Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Ethiopia, Central African Republic, and Sudan. So with this, thank you very much for being patient. Let's build a refinery to diversify our economy. Thank you very much.